What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world, boo. Today on the platter, we have April's BoxyCharm Premium Box. I'm so excited to open this because I saw the spoilers. I wasn't able to pick my product for for this month because I was locked out of my account, all that other good stuff. But I hope BoxyCharm picks some good products for me. I'm so excited to open this box up, y'all. So if you want to see what's inside of April's premium box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your premium box. What's up, my loves? How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys pressed the button to watch your girl today. Today we have April's BoxyCharm Premium Box, and I'm so excited to get this box unboxed. I saw some of the spoilers, and ooh, y'all, I'm hoping that I get one of those palettes or that Natasha Denona blush. Ooh, let's keep our fingers crossed. Now, I did watch some spoilers, some videos, some unboxing videos, and a lot of people wasn't happy with their little BoxyCharm this month. So I'm hoping BoxyCharm did your girl right and put some products in here that I like and can use and have checked off on my profile. So we shall see. For the drink of the day, I'm just drinking regular old orange juice. Getting my vitamin C in today. So it's no vodka in here, no champagne. It's just plain old OJ, guys. So cheers to you guys. I hope you have your drink ready to unbox this box with your girl. We're going to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all tremendously. Thank you. Now, let's get on to the specs and unbox it, boo. BoxyPremium is a $35 per month beauty subscription. It is the middle child of the BoxyCharm base box and the boxyluxe box. You're supposed to get 6 to 7 products in here each month, and it's supposed to have a value around, I think, $175. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it on the bottom of the screen. I do have a link down below if you want to click it and check BoxyCharm out and subscribe to them. Also, guys, they do allow you to pick one item for your box each month. I wasn't able to pick, but we're going to have faith that BoxyCharm did your girl right this month. Okay? Cool. Now, let's take a dance break and a drink break before we get into this. BoxyPremium comes in this big old box like this, and yeah, boo, let's see. Let me get my scissors. Hold on. Let's cut this baby open. Ooh, y'all ready? Okay. I'm really feeling the blue inside. We do get a card each month, and the theme for this month is festival vibes. Oh, and I'm so excited because the French Quarter Fest was this month and it got canceled in New Orleans, guys. And we do get a list of products as well as the prices. Y'all know I'm going to put them on the bottom of the screen. And I got variation number 50, guys. So let's see what we got. What? I'm going to tell y'all right now, it's looking like I'm going to be canceling the premium box. Okay. Oh, girl, I am like, so let's just pull out products. First up, we got this Levito inspired by nature, grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado age away replenishing cream. Firm, hydrate, and repair for dry, mature skin. Y'all think BoxyCharm trying to say I got old skin? This is what the box looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I've never heard of this brand, and I'm upset because I wanted the Natasha Denona blush palette, but I got this instead. And look at this little bitty tiny, girl, look at that. Y'all look at that. Seriously, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if y'all don't like negative unboxings of BoxyCharm, you might want to exit now because I'm very upset, guys. So it's not gonna be a fun and positive video today. So if there's something you don't want to see, if you like BoxyCharm and you don't, just exit out now. It's okay. But I'm going to give my honest opinion on these products because I am pissed, y'all. Like, I filled out a profile and it's just, so let's get back to the products. In here, you get 1.69 fluid ounces of product. And this is just like an Age of Way replenishing moisturizer cream. And this baby right here retails for $69. Okay. Next up, we have from Pharmacy, and I am excited about this product. This is a Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Now, for you guys that's been rocking with me for a while, you know I have oily combination skin, and I did mark that on my profile. But so far, I got products for dry skin, 2 products for dry skin. So this is what the Honey Potion looks like. This is the outside packaging, and you get 1.7 ounces of product in here. Let's open it up. I do like Pharmacy products, though. I do. Let's take it out. Ooh, it's very pretty. It comes with this little spatula thing that's magnetic. And let's open it up and take it sniffy. I don't really smell nothing. I thought it would smell like honey, but no, I don't smell anything. And like I said, guys, you get 1.7 ounces of product. This is what it looks like, guys. A beautiful container. I love the packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this is the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask, and it retails for $38. And this says intensely hydrating honey face mask for a glowing complexion. It's infused with antioxidants. It's a warming mask that leaves your skin soft, supple, and plump with hydration. So $38 for this, guys. Up next, we have from Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. It's an exfoliate and balancing toner, AHA and turmeric, and that's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Now, I mean, did y'all get makeup? Like, girl, I am really, really, really upset. Ooh, this is pretty though. This is what the outside packaging looks like, my loves. And in here you get how much? 3.38 fluid ounces of product. And let me see what it says on this box. Cruelty-free, toxic-free, gluten and vegan. This toner helps gently slough off dead skin cells and prep skin for the rest of your routine. AHAs help loosen dead skin cells so they can fall away, which helps maintain clean pores. Now, I do have big pores in this area here, so I will use this. But y'all, this is like my 3rd skincare product. I mean, my goodness. Oh, I want makeup. I do like skincare now, but I want makeup. And this retails for $39. Let me take a dance break and a drink break. Now I wish I would have added vodka to this. I'm sorry, y'all, but y'all have to understand my frustration. I filled out my quiz and I did it again just to make sure that I get, a little more makeup heavy products in my box. And this is what got me the most pissed. When I saw this, IGK Good Behavior Smoothing Spray for your hair. And I don't like hair products. And I told BoxyCharm that. Like, I don't understand this. Why? This is a keratin-like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control, and it's 450 degree heat protection. I will use this, I guess, in my hair. Let's see what the spray looks like. Oh, it smells good at least. Well, I don't like vanilla maybe. Smells good. Vegan, cruelty and gluten-free, UV protection, mineral oil-free, paraben and sulfate-free. So I am happy about that. I can spray it on my hair, but I don't want a hairspray, y'all. You get 5.6 fluid ounces of product in here. And this is the IGK Good Behavior Protein Smoothing Spray, and it retails for $32. Next up, something that I'm equally irritated about, and this is a magnetic lip plush paint from Nude Sticks, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like. And we have the shade Waikiki Rose. So this is what it looks like. That's the applicator. We're gonna swatch a little bit on the back of my hand. That's how it swatches out to be. I could probably wear it with a liner, but I am not thrilled about this. It didn't come in a box. It just came like this. And this is like something that belongs in the Ipsy Glam bag to me. That's where I would want to see this. Not in my $35 a month box. And this, guys, retails for, girl, like, come on, BoxyCharm, and Nude Sticks, $28. Okay. And last but not least, a repeat item from BoxyCharm. I've received this already. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. They must have had like a huge sale on these mascaras because I've been getting them in a lot of subscriptions. It's an okay mascara. This one, the packaging is all beat up. I don't know if y'all can see on the end, it's all dented up. I don't know what's going on. It's like dent. I don't know. Maybe it got banged up in shipping. I don't know, guys. But I do actually like this mascara for my bottom lashes. And this retails for $26. And that, my dears, was my final product in this month's premium box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we're going to be done. So we received from IGK this Good Hair Frizz Controlling Hairspray, from Wander Beauty this mascara here, from Nude Sticks this lipstick here, from Peach and Lily this toner, from Lavito this moisturizer here, and from Pharmacy the Honey Potion Hydration Mask. So that's 6 products for this month. Okay. Final thoughts. Now, before anybody say it, I do not receive any PR from BoxyCharm. I pay for this subscription with my own money. The base box, the premium box, and the luxe box, I pay for. I get no PR from BoxyCharm. Even if I did, all of my opinions are my own and my honest opinions. So, again, this is my personal opinion. This box was absolute garbage to me. I am not pleased with this box at all. I know all of my skincare junkie bomb ass subscriber squad, you would love this box. I'm okay with the products, but where is the makeup? Like, where is the palettes? All of the Smashbox palette and the Manny makeup palette, where are those? Why didn't I get that? Where's the Natasha Denona palette? I wonder who got the Natasha Denona palette, because I'm not seeing any unboxings of anyone that got it. And honestly, this was the most disappointing premium box I've gotten thus far. Well, there was one more, but I am not happy with my box this month, guys. And that's my own opinion. I don't like it. Now, some people may feel different and this may be the perfect box for you, but for me, it's not a good box for TonyaNicole. I don't like it. The only things that I'm excited about is this and maybe this. These 2 products here. Other than that, it's a damn dud for me. I don't like the box. So, yeah, let me know your thoughts on my box. Let me know what you got in your premium box. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, this box is garbage. That's a damn fire! To 5 business boxes, thebomb.com, you know what I'm saying? Boo! Based on the fact that I think BoxyCharm is like showing spoilers of lies that they're not. They're showing these spoilers to get people to subscribe to them, and then they have so many variations that nobody really knows what they're gonna get. I mean, I have variation 50, so that tells you a lot right there. I mean, who is getting all the spoiler products, the good products? Please let me know. Based on the fact of that, and they're not following my profile, I'm throwing boxypremium for the month of April straight to the damn fire. It's getting a 1. It's going straight to the fire. I am not pleased at all with this box. And I'm thinking about canceling the premium and just keeping my base box and my luxe box, because I'm wasting my money with BoxyCharm and I'm going to be picking up a new subscription. So we're going to be canceling the premium box probably in June, July, August. It's going to be canceled, and I'm going to pick up the Seductive Pleasures box, which I think would be a great little spicy addition to my channel. So yeah, we're throwing Boxy Premium to the fire. I'm getting Maybox, but after that, I'm going to cancel them for a few months and pick up some new subscriptions. So that's how I feel about the premium box. I'm tired of BoxyCharm playing with my money, y'all. So that is all that I have for this video. Yeah, I'm very irritated. Y'all, don't forget, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to your girl. Give this video a big thumbs up or a thumbs down if you liked it or not. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All of my links are down below. Yeah, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Happy Wednesday, guys, and I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys so much. Cheers, guys. Bye.